Okay, so let's take a look at this. Oh man. Okay, so first Jan, so we have two banks, 50,000 bank A, simple interest, 1.5 on first Jan withdrew or what? Wait, so 2013. From 2010 to 2013 is 3 years. Rest every bank B interest or compound. Then another 2 years. You find the total interest. Okay. So let's look at the first 3 years, right? 2010 until 2011 is 1 year. 2011 until 2012 is 2 years. 2012 until 2012 is 3 years. So I equals to PRT over 100. Okay, what's the interest rate for the simple interest? Interest rate 1.5%. Right?
That's little.
So you got the this is 1.5. P is 50,000, right? You need to know how to put the correct thing. Time is 3 years. That's it, right? So if we just key in everything into the calculator, so you get 50,000 times 1.5 times 3 over 100. So you cancel 20, cancel 20. Have you all done the calculation? Right.
2250.
2250. Do you get this? No. What? Calculator people. I need my calculator. 50 times 1.5 times 3 divided by 100. Correct? 2250. Why did I get 2250?
Because I
Huh?
keep getting confused by simple and compound.
Why? Why? Okay, never mind. So 2250. Now, what is the meaning of 2250? 2250 is the interest because the I stands for interest. That means that's the interest earned for the first 3 years, okay? Which means when she take out from the bank, how much does she have? Huh? When she take out of the bank, she has $52,250. Okay, you take out this amount from the bank, and then after that, this amount put to bank B. So this one go inside bank B. So in bank B, we use compound interest. V equals to P. So what's my P right now?
1.2.
Wait, 52250. P is 52250. 1 plus 1.2 over 100 to the power of 2. Okay, 2 years, right? Let me check. Let's double check. Yeah. Okay. Wrong lah. Okay, there's something. Look at this. Half yearly. What does it mean? Half yearly.
Compound every 6 months.
Yeah, that means it's not 1/2. No, I is not 1/2. No. See, they're very.
4.
No.
0.6.
Yes. The I must change to 0.6. Then the N become
4.
4.
So
See that?
confusing.
I can use my finger. I don't want this.
So confusing.
So it's 4. You get it? Equal to, use calculator again.
Why V?
Hey, can you let me?
Why V? No.
What V? Value. That's value. That's my calculator.
No.
You bring your own. Okay, so I like to calculate the bracket stuff first. Okay, 1 plus. Okay, this one is not 0.6. Oh, yeah, it's 0.6. 0.6 divided by 100 plus 1 to the power of 4 times 52250. Alright, so eventually I get a value of $53,515. So this is V. Yes, you asked a good question. What is the meaning of V? V is not interest. V is principal plus interest. Right? So after 2 years, compound half yearly, that means 4 times. You get a total value of 53,515. And what are they asking for here? Find the total interest earned. They never ask for the total value. They ask for total interest. So your 53,000 must, what must you do?
Yeah.
Add No.
Minus
Minus
50,000.
50,000. POA people, right? Who POA? You, right? What kind? Don't know. I compound
Huh?
interest, simple interest.
Minus
Must learn what? 3,515. Okay, that's the final answer. Wow, I like my finger better. Yeah, you okay? I know you're tired, right? You're like zoning out already. Who's scared who? Why is scared who? 3515. Do you get 3515? No. Okay, this is a very, very easy. Very, super easy. Super
I
duper.
thought it's just that and 2250.
No, no need.
Oh.
Wait, do I need? No need. Because this, you see, how come no need? Because the original principle is 50,000. That means you put 50,000. They ask for.
So when you think invested, everything is included in the first interest.
Yeah, 5 years, see? 5 years. In 5 years, you put 50,000, 5 years, you put here, put there, 5 years, later you get 53,515. So
You put 50,000 in the bank and now use it.
I can't use.
50,000.
Yeah.
That's the poor thing.
Yeah, that's poor thing. You know why not? You know why it's poor thing?
This, you know why now it's very hard.
Alamak, wait, do you know what's today's date?
No.
20.
20th of April. You know why today is so special?
20.
No. What's so special about today? You don't know.
Ramadan.
It's some no. Something to do with meme. Some meme thing. Okay, I think you all don't know lah.
National Kill Your Friend Day.
No. It's Dogecoin Day. Dogecoin Day. You know Dogecoin Day. I don't watch TikTok. You know Dogecoin?
I didn't know that from
It's a Dogecoin, right? It's a joke. In the year 2013, some guy made a joke. Okay, he said that you all can anyhow make cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all this, right? I'm gonna make a stupid dog coin. Make a stupid dog coin. Okay, so he made a dog coin, right? In the year 2013. Then see Doge Day, 4th April 30th. That's the day. Okay, so
Is it a legit thing?
yes,
Did you buy?
it was supposed to be a joke meme. It was a meme, right? Then after
So
that,
today.
now become legit, The kid became a millionaire, The kid who bought, right? Let me show you the chart. You all will go crazy. I want to go crazy. Look at this head. Why I never go and buy? What?
Dog, the dog cute though.
The Dogecoin chart. Look at this.
No, I didn't buy it.
Wait.
Bro, it started off with 30 cents.
Wait. No, because I'm not good. This is just 5 days, right?
5 days.
Wait. I want to go the.
You don't go images, just go to all.
Who? In 2013. Yeah.
Just go all. And then
Yeah. This is one of the biggest regret of my life. So now it's 39 cents, okay? Now, when it started off, it was 0.003.
That's a lot.
Now it's 30 cents. Now, last time, like
even
at the beginning of this year, it was 0.003. January.
So nice.
0.003. So if you bought at 0.003 and now it's 30 cents, how many times would you have made?
Wait.
If this fella, this auntie
100.
Caroline put 50,000 in
0.00 what?
0.002 002, 003, 02.
How many zeros?
20.
3, right? Let's say I buy 100,000 of that shares,
yeah.
and I sell it off at 30 cents, right?
Yes.
Wait.
How much would this auntie make? Basically, you just put 3 more zero behind.
I will earn 30,000 in it.
No, basically just put 3 more zero behind. Okay, whatever money you put inside, just put 3 more zero behind. Okay, that's the amount you earn, and that's what happened to the little boy. TikTok boy.
Millionaire?
Yeah, TikTok. Kid or teenager, right? TikTok takes what? Okay, teen TikTok send joke something. Can we see pictures here? Who's the kid?
He became a millionaire on accident.
Yeah, the kid. Where's the kid? Right? How come they don't have TikTok news one? 19-year-old the boy, I think.
You work already.
19-year-old.
Yeah, you know you work already.
Yeah. Right. So now they keep saying, go to the moon, go to the moon. Why? Hey, what's going on, man? Why I cannot click anything? Okay, Dogecoin. So basically just you went like a thousand times, right? TikTok user J, so it's relatively small number. So how much did he make? So last time it was worthless. Okay, and then after that, what happened to him? Okay, I don't. Why is it all about TikTok? Never mind, you get the idea, right? You get the idea. Okay, so the thing that and this was only last week. Yeah, just last week.
So you made $1 million last week.
Me? No.
I mean,
Yeah. That little boy.
Imagine you were still sleeping and then you woke up and like, oh
Yeah,
I'm a $1 million
literally, you see, on the 12th of April, right? You see the money 0.07 or maybe even here on 30th of March, okay? Or here 0.05. Then the next
go on to 1 month.
month, wait.
Narrow it down to 1 month.
Yeah.
1 week, okay, 1 week.
Here, right? So it was at 0, then okay, nothing much, right? Here already 10 times, by the time here, he already made 10 times the amount. Then all of a sudden, April 16, suddenly became like 43 cents. Within 1 day, suddenly became like
Became a millionaire on
right?
accident.
So from here to here is 40 times. Here go up here about 10 to 40 times. Okay. Then everyone scratch it. Why need to study? How come you study also? Why I never go and buy? Right? Because it was a joke. You understand? The whole thing was a joke. Supposed to be a joke, but it
So the
became.
joke was actually down.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. They bought it as a joke.
They bought it as a joke.
As a joke.
And they accidentally bought
Yeah,
it.
out of this. Okay? So it's real. This became suddenly all of a sudden this became like real money. Okay? And then because it went up so high, everyone started buying some more. Because everyone also want the money to go out. Okay, so eventually what will happen? It will crash. After it comes here, it will then I hope the teen sold it, right? Sells it like something like that. But then you never know because their target is for you to reach $1. That means you can go like 2-3 times.
Asia, like over 80%.
But here?
Yeah, over 80%.
Yeah, Asia hours. That means at night. They are night time. Okay. Crazy, right?
What if you need to earn money accidentally?
Yeah, this is accidentally, right? You see, 8,000%, 8,201%. Caroline, earn how much? 1.2. This one, 8,201 in 1 year, right? And she, in 5 years, she made 3,000, right? And she looks to be happy about that. Okay, where's the team? They don't have a picture of the team. Guy that made so much money. All right, so that's the excitement of playing with all this cryptocurrency. Okay. Anyway, back to here. Okay, question number 2. I need to print on. Okay, question number 2. So you understand, compound interest and simple interest. Okay, let's look at question number 2. So question number 2, what do we need to do? First thing, we have to take the tree, the power rainbow inside. Okay, all the power rainbow inside. Why? Because we do the power rule first. It's easier this way. Do you remember the 9 rules of indices? No. So how to do? How can you do? If you don't remember, you can't do it. You don't believe us? Must memorize enough.
Yeah.
See, not I say one, no, you say one. Because I ask Elijah must memorize enough. Yes. So do you know how to do? Have you memorized? No. Why? Because is it because you never memorized? Yes. I see.
Also,
The
can tell
truth.
you that I don't need to memorize.
The truth.
Everyone knows need to memorize.
Yeah. So you see, it's what should I, anyway. You also don't need to go to the gym. Why? How to slim down? How to grow muscle? How to grow muscle? You know, no?
Yeah.
How?
Sleep.
Sleep? No. Eat,
Exercise lah.
exercise. Yeah. Everybody knows, right? But are you doing it?
I'm not trying to see that when it's a fat sheet of holding the diet movement. I'm not saying that I'll be like eating my whole ass.
Yeah, because when you are bigger, when you are bigger mass, you need more energy. Because you got twice the number of cells, you know, so you need more energy, so you get tired easily. Use more oxygen and give out more carbon dioxide. Okay. All right. So anyway, let's look at this. Yeah. So what we do is we rainbow in the power rule, right? So what do we get? So the first bracket we get 2 cubed x to the power 6 y cubed. Okay. So first thing. Now the bracket we can still leave it there. It's fine. Divided by, so x to the power minus 2, y to the power minus 8. Bracket. Then divided by. 4 to the power half is 2, then x 2 y. That's it. Okay, so that would be the crucial step 1 that you need to know. If you don't know this, I mean it all starts from the roots. Okay, you need to know the roots.
Wait.
Yes, sure. Power going first.
Just type only.
That's what the rule say. I'm gonna make a meme out there, right? Just time only, right? Yeah, just time. Power rule times the power. Okay. Once done, look at this. Okay, so once done, we gotta do the math now. Now you see, this is divide. What's the meaning of divide? Minus. So 2 cubed, just leave it there. Now x to the power of 6 minus 2. Yeah. Wait, then after that y to the power of 3 minus 8 divided by 2x squared y. Okay, step by step. Okay, so this is divide. Same base, different power. You must add the power. You must minus. So 6 minus 2. So you get 6.
So divide minus times plus. Yeah. Okay, remember that. Divide minus times plus.
Yeah, divide minus times. But that's for power. Right? Yeah. Okay, so once you written that down, just go to the next step. You can actually start to cancel this 2 and this one. Right, so that's 2. Okay, so I left with a 2 squared. And then after that, x to the power 8, because minus is plus, and then y to the power 11 divided by x squared y. Okay, so we are not done yet, because we can still cancel again. So 2 squared is 4, x to the power of 6, y to the power of 10. That's it. 10. So final answer. Very busy. Discord channel. Do you have a Discord? Are you the what do you call that? Host? Is it called a host?
The owner.
Owner, moderator or owner?
My server did.
You have?
My server did.
You did it?
Yeah.
Okay. One of my Sec1 students is the owner of a Discord channel. So his phone is like ringing non-stop, right? He got 1,000 over people inside. Okay, then there was once my YouTube channel had like 800 subscribers at the time. Then he said, "I help you shout out." So you go and shout out to his Discord channel. Hey people, subscribe to my Emath tutor. Right, then suddenly I got 1,000. Yeah, but all Indian. Because his is Indian culture. But it's fine, you know. It's quite funny. Yeah. It's the power of that's why you know all those YouTube influencers they like to shout out each other, you know. I shout out your channel, you shout out my channel.
Sure, my wife is 12.
Why? How come your Y is 12? Minus divide.
Yeah, no, cause I got Wi-Fi and then the other one's negative 8.
Wi-Fi negative 8. How is it 5?
I think I got 2B correct.
3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11.
Oh my god. I had 5 and 3.
Cold already, You say I told you the place is winter wonderland. Right. Okay, Elijah is okay. Can see, right? Alrighty. Let's move on. Okay, next one is solving equation. It's on space. Yeah. Okay, so here, so solving means you must find x. So eventually we need to know what's the value of x. Okay. So, but before that, we need to combine the two of them. No, before I combine, I need to factorize this guy. This is a 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. All right.
Negative x minus 1.
6x minus 1.
Negative 3x minus 1.
Oh, okay. So do you know how to factorize? Do you know how to factorize? Do you know how to factorize? Yeah. Have you factorized? Yes. Elijah? Factorize can? Yeah. Right. So I don't need to do the factorization. So it's 3 over, say again. 1 minus 3x and
1 minus 3x.
what?
It's negative 3x minus 1.
Square. Square. Oh, so it's twice.
Yeah.
Okay, same. Whatever you do, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same as what he mentioned. Okay, 1 minus 3x. All right. So now you need to combine the two equations, which means no. Oh, wrong already. You need to times. You see, this is the denominator. Is you have to times the 1 minus 3x. Then the top also must times 1 minus 3x. Yeah, we need the same before you can combine. So after you multiply, use green, you're gonna get 3 minus 1 minus 3x. Combine. Basically, it's just 1 minus 3x squared equals to 2. Right? I'm going to need a lot of space. Running out of space. Okay, so from the green color, let's continue. 3 minus 1 plus 3x. So this one go to the 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 3x. Okay, and then expand. So it's very long, it's 4 marks. Very lengthy question. Oh man. Where do we get again? 9x squared minus 6x plus. Super lengthy, you know. At least another 5 more lines. 2 plus 3x. Okay, minus 3x minus 12x is negative 15x. Plus 2 minus 2. Yeah, that's it. Equal to 0. Then take out x. So you can take out 3. It doesn't matter. So lengthy 6. Alright, so either x equal to 0 or 6x equal to 5, x equal 5 over 6. Yeah, that's it. Oh. tedious format. Right, so that's the two answers. Okay. That's the two answers. Yep. Okay, so done, ready to get 3. Now let me just give a hint of 3. Form an equation show that it reduces to x squared plus 6x minus 22. 3 circles touching each other. Okay, so the centers of circle A, B, and C have radius. This is 5. This is 3. Here, it's 3. And the other one is x minus 1. Here it's just x minus 1. The 3 lines join the center of the circle to form a right angle. Alright, you gotta use Pythagoras theorem. That's the clue. Able to get. No, did you get this? Did you get this? X squared plus 6x minus 22.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. So let me. Yeah, you had to find it. Did you find that? Yeah. Okay, that's the first part, right? So let's work on this. You see the first one, x minus 1 plus 5 become x minus 4. X plus 4. Squared plus x plus 2. X squared is 64. So x plus 4 squared is x squared plus 8x plus 16, then plus x squared. Okay, combine them, we get 2x squared plus 8 plus 4 is plus 12 plus 20 equals to 64. Then bring the 64 over. Wait, how come I don't have the thing? Or must divide. So 2x squared plus 12 minus 44 equals 0. Right? Then divide by 2, so x squared plus. So shown. Right? Can you see that? So you get the same thing. Okay, so that's the first part. You gotta be able to get the same thing. So after you got the same thing, you gotta use the either complete the square or the general formula. So what is the general formula? X equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
So wait, for part A, I just show this thing.
Yeah, then show that it reduces to this. Okay, so you're done. Now you need to input the correct figure, right? So A is equal to 1, B equals to 6, C equals to negative 22. Okay? Do you know this one, ABC? Do you know how to get? Elijah, you know how to get ABC? Elijah? Do you know how I get the ABC? A1, B6, C 22. Okay. Is it right? Okay, where I get the A is the coefficient. B is this guy. C is this guy. Green color. Green color. A is the coefficient of x.
So the 2x is A and B.
The 2, where is 2x?
The both of the x's lah.
Hello, math, sec 3. You tell me 2x means 2x, no? 2x, no? That's not for the x. Okay, wait, what do you mean again?
Okay. After the rest of the question.
No, but do you know how to get ABC, right?
One. Exactly. And then later you put x square minus 32 plus 6x.
Then your B is changed, right?
Then
It's
I'm
another.
confused. So I have to remember.
Of course, I can't do it for you.
Yeah, I thought the A is always like square.
Huh?
I thought the A is like always the digit that has like square.
Yeah, okay. The general formula follows this general formula: ax squared plus bx plus c. Got it?
Yeah.
The a must always be the coefficient. You call this guy the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x, and c is the c by itself. Right? You always must follow this ABC.
Negative b
Yeah,
plus minus.
plus minus.
Plus or plus and minus lah.
You have two answers. One is plus, one is minus. Because it's derived from a quadratic equation with two solutions. Alright, so one is a positive, the other one is a negative.
People still say math is fun.
Yeah, because they love math. Right? Like some people love money, right? Then they say, oh, money is fun. Some people don't like money.
No, earning money is hard, spending it is fun.
Some people like food, right? So people say food is fun.
And the mee goreng now there is so good.
The what?
Mee goreng.
Okay.
You try already?
I tried all the food here. Yeah. I tried.
And the bak kut teh.
Bak kut teh haven't. The long queue, I just couldn't get it. Okay. Due to the long queue. And then there's a new, Daniel Ong, Daniel Ong, celebrity restaurant over here. Right? Every day got one Lamborghini partner. White color Lamborghini. Does that mean a thing? Alright, celebrity lah. Celebrity will have all this stuff. Okay. So it's quite nice. I say hi in Instagram to him because he put,
Did he reply?
Yeah, I said I will visit, then he give me a like. Yeah. What? Make friends, what? Okay. Last time I made friends with the.
So what you gonna do? Give you money.
No, I give you money. No. Last time the downstairs bubble tea also came up, make friends with us, lah. Right? Then the barber also came, make friends with us, right? You know how she make friends with us? She said, "Can you remove your signboard?" I said, "Who are you?" I'm a new neighbor downstairs. Then I said, "Cannot." Then I said, "Okay, fine." Then who are you? Then I said, "What are you doing?" Bubble tea. Okay. But I got her phone number. Okay, the girl. Downstairs also celebrity one, you know?
Lower D.
Yeah, downstairs J Chow.
Is it the small shop?
Yeah, that small tiny bubble tea shop. J Chow and JJ Lin. You know who JJ Lin?
Yeah.
It's a singer.
Yeah, the Singapore, one of the more famous Singapore singer. They together franchise this brand. Okay.
A franchise.
But they own they are like
franchise only one.
Part partner lah, right, of this thing, right?
But franchise only one.
Yeah, franchise only lah.
It's not the company one.
I don't know, right? But he never come here. That made me sad, right? But they play his song every day downstairs, and they want to remove my signboard. Okay, what the heck? I mean, I gave a very polite reply, right? I say I cannot lah because you know all signboards must pay license, right? You know that? There are actually people who go around to check whether your signboard got license, got pay license or not. Right? So once one of my poster don't have, right? Then he called, your poster don't have license. Then I didn't know I need to pay license to put posters. Right? So what's the trick? Well, I teach you all. The trick is you must put inside the window. If you put outside the window, it's considered their property. If I put inside the window, it's considered my property. So I don't pay that. Crazy. So all these are inside. You see that? That's the reason why I paste inside. But the stupid thing of pasting inside is
very hard to
people
see.
cannot see from outside. Why people cannot see from outside? Because it's tinted glass. Next time you go and take a look.
You don't make it tinted.
The glass came like that.
Can change one or what?
I don't want to change just because I put poster. Right? Just to put one poster. Okay? So I had to go down all the way to the BCA, the authority. I must get engineer draw the drawing of my poster and the signboard, everything. Then I must give him money. Money. Okay. This is I want to put poster. I can. Then he said, okay. Right? So I explained to the downstairs person, you want to remove myself, I must go all the way there again. No, then I must redraw all the engineering thing. Then he said, oh, like that one. I said, yes. Then don't want already. Okay. Right? Now you know, every poster must pay money. Huh? Every year about $100. Hey, hello, wait. It's a piece of paper. Okay. It's a piece of something.
Wait, one only.
No, this one no need.
I know.
Because I paste inside. Oh, but there are some, the downstairs one must pay. Everyone.
How many?
Every single thing in Singapore, you see got poster facing outside, right? Must pay about $100.
Okay, so how many posters do you have outside?
I only have 1, 2 that's facing outside. The rest I tear down everything. Wait, it doesn't make sense. Why? Last time all my every window got something on. Then I didn't know. Until that someone go and call. Then someone call me, right? Hey, you never pay money for the thing.
So you have a poster like if someone don't need to earn money, right? They go and pay for their poster, they hang over in one, right? They're not in the wrong.
What do you mean? They are in the wrong.
But they can hang over on the outside.
No, they cannot. Then they must pay money. But they must have my permission, what? Right? You understand? I must go to the authority with all the detail.
You know, have your permission for what?
To paste their poster outside my place.
Oh,
yeah, you get it. So that's why a lot of shops, right? They're very clever. The cleverest one is Standard Chartered. You can see Standard Chartered. They make a glass panel. Then they paste their poster inside the glass panel. Then no need to pay money. You can see, right? You can see. Hey, okay, it depends on the size. The size. Big one maybe few thousand every year. Small one is like cheaper. So they purposely go and make the poster. Then they put one glass outside. Then they say this one inside. Inside. Okay. Cars also. Cars. Your vehicle, your parents' vehicle. If you paste inside, advertisement is fine. If you paste outside, must pay money.
Which one again?
Vehicle, car. Like maybe you have a company, right? Like Dodo Donut or whatever. Then you go and paste Dodo Donut outside. Must pay money.
For the sticker they made outside.
Yeah, but if you paste inside, it's fine. It's free. It's your space. This rule I also don't know. Got such thing or no? Right. The staircase also. You know the staircase? Staircase got the thing, right? Then someone go and paste this, right? As long as public can see, must pay money. The public, they walk by, they can see staircase. Hey, got number and whatnot. Must pay money. Ridiculous, right? Ridiculous. Government clever, right? So that's why you all study math, right? All the scholars all work for government. Okay, next time you all study, then you'll become scholar. You'll be thinking of all these things. Okay, you breathe air, pay money. Okay, Singapore air. You calculate, your nostril is 2 cm square, right? So you pay more. Mine is only 0.5 cm square, so I pay less. Okay, you know what's coming since we're talking about this? Sugar tax. You all know about that? Sugar tax. Now got sugar tax. Yeah, tang, sugar tax. You all know? Have you heard?
For eating sugar?
Yeah, where did you hear about this? Newspaper? Is it newspaper? Right? Coming soon. That means everything got with sugar will pay tax, extra tax. To give who? Give government. Can you tell me something that don't have sugar? Okay, what else? Well, plain water, okay. What else? Nothing. You understand? Everything got sugar. So basically everything also tax, right? So as long as you food. As long as you eat something with sugar, bubble tea is the worst, right? So bubble tea will have extra tax. Yeah, so 100%.
Let's say no sugar.
Can.
100% sugar plus $1.
Yeah, but if you have the bubble, the tea, the pearl got sugar, tax already, right? Okay, then you might as well don't drink bubble tea.
I don't mind it.
Then you might as well go 7-Eleven, go and buy the Ayutaka, only $1. $1, 1.5 liter. You go downstairs, you pay what? $8 for the thing. You tell them I don't want pearl, don't want sugar. This is the same as one bottle of Ayataka. Okay, yeah. So oh no, I recorded all this. They better not share. Government can find me. Alright. Okay, anyway, this is the ABC. Right? So you must input the correct figure. You put in the wrong figure, it's wrong. Okay, so what are the correct figures? After putting in, right, x equals to so b. Wait, let's see here. B is -6. So -6 plus minus square root 6 square minus 4 c. Wow, my fingers too big. Over 2 times of a. Because a is 1, so it's just divided by 2. Right? So now the trick here is most people what they do is they key in like they write on the exam paper like that. But when the answer come out, right? Where did they get the answer from? Yeah, calculator. Mode 33. Not this calculator.
You
Okay,
type in the number, like, ask you how to write the number.
yeah, you have to. You mean what? In the working or what?
Like working.
Working, yeah. You write some numbers. You write like this. You gotta write the numbers like that. And then after that, you can just come up with the answer. Then don't get marks. If you type in, don't get marks. Right? So I would suggest you do both. That means you do out the working, and after that, you also do mode 33, so you can check whether you get correct or not. Do you know what I'm talking about? Mode 33. Yeah, you know. Right? So mode 33, you key in and then you confirm your answer. So there'll be one X that is not useful. Okay, so let's find the one. Yeah, calculator. See, so if you have your handphone, your phone, you can do this as well. So A equal to 1, B equals to 6. Negative 2. Solve. Right, so you have two values. You see, first X is 2.56, then the second one is negative 8.56. So mode 33 will give you this. And we will reject the second one because it's a negative value. We will accept the first one, which is 2.56. Okay, so reject, x2 reject due to negative value, x1 accept. Okay, now once you get 2.56,
x equals to how many x? How many
just put 2.57.
Plus 2 decimal.
Or 2 decimal, yeah, 2.57.
2.57.
Yeah.
Or
just put 2.57. You
what's
reject.
What's the other one?
Reject the other one. Reject.
8.57.
Negative 8.57. So once you got your x, so x equals to 2.57. They want to find the perimeter of the right angle. That's super easy. Just substitute your x with that number and you add everything up. Start. Okay, so that part we don't have to go through. Moving on. Moving on. Okay, so this one can do also. Question number 4. It's like kinematics. Okay, it's a speed time graph. Yes, good. Okay, go ahead. Okay, please give it a try. Let me. Pause. So the diagram is the speed time graph, 60 seconds. If the truck acceleration is 0.7, find the value of v. First 20 seconds 0.7. Okay. So when they say acceleration, that means the gradient. The gradient is 0.7. 0.7. Wait, gradient 0.7. That means rise over run. This here is 20, right? So this x. X over 20 equals to 0.7. Gradient is 0.7. You get it? So to find V, 0.7 equals to x over 20. So x equals to 20 times 7. Is it 114, right? X equal to 14. So if x equal to 14, V must be equal to 4. Why? Because if the gap is 14, so 4 plus 14 equals 18. Is that 4 original value 4? You plus 14, then you get 18. So the gap must be, so V equals to 4. Okay? Right? So we get V equal to 4. Now next one, if the truck travels at a constant speed of 18 for a distance of 252, find the value of T. Where's T? Okay. So now constant speed of 18 meter per second for distance of 252. Now this is a speed time graph. Where is the distance in the speed time graph? Do you know? How to find distance? If you have speed, you have time, how you find distance?
Speed times time.
What?
Speed times time.
What?
Triangle.
Triangle. DST triangle. To find distance, you take speed times time. Now they give you D equal to 52. They give you speed equals to what's the speed? 18. So how to find time?
Right.
Divide 252 divide 18. What do you get?
14.
14. Okay, 14 again. Right. So what does it mean? Now this area is 252. So time is 14. So to find T, that means the time here is 14 as well. Okay, so T equals to 30, 31, 34. Is that right? Plus 14. What do you mean? Because 14 times 18 equal to 251. Right, the area here is 252, right? So you take 14 times 18, and here is 18. You get 252 as well. Okay, next, find the speed of the truck after 50 seconds. So 50 seconds is somewhere here. There's a color. 50 seconds is somewhere here. So it's going to find the speed. Okay, so how do we find the speed after 50 seconds? The speed after 50 seconds. Now there are several ways, right? You can find the gradient. That means what is the gradient of this thing, right? Because you know here is 34, so rise over run. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off. The rise is 18. So 18 over at 50, if here is 50, rise over run. Wait. Do I want to do that? 50 is 10, 18 divided by 26. Okay, between, I'm looking at this triangle, just this triangle. Okay, rise over run. So it's 26 and rise is 18. What's 18 divided by 26? Calculator. Wow, 0.69. Not a nice number. So I get 0.69. Okay, yeah, it's a negative value, 0.69. So how do I find the speed at time at time 50? You see what happened here is that every 1 second backwards, right, the speed will increase by 0.69. So we take 0.69 times 10. Yeah, we get 6.9. So at 50th second, the V here is equals to 6.9. Okay, at the 50th second. So last one, calculate the average speed of the truck for the whole journey. How to find average speed?
total distance.
Yeah, equals to d over t. All right. So what's the distance traveled? Oh, I need to clear everything again. What's the total? No, it's recorded. So what's the total distance traveled? Here is 34, right? So I got 1252. How about the beginning? Basically, I'll find the area, right? So how to find the area? 18 times. Okay, we gotta use calculator. Okay. And how to find the area of this triangle? 18 times 26 divided by 2. 234. 234. Okay, how to find the area of this triangle? It's a trapezium. What's the formula for trapezium?
Never teach. Did you never teach?
Let's ask a witness, okay? What's the area for trapezium?
Is it two rectangle?
Rectangle? No. Witness number 2. What's the formula for area of trapezium?
They're all 15.
No,
Okay.
witness. Ah, never teach. Got teach or not? But got teach or not? You see? Witness 2 say got teach.
Teach and never teach.
Teach lah. Right, wait. In fact, sec 1, sec 2, right? This and this, right? This called A, this called B. So half of A plus B times height is the height. Half A plus B times height.
Yeah,
This one is proof, right? I recorded already, so it's proof that I taught you. Okay, area of trapezium. Right? Yeah, that's it. Have a nice day. Okay, go back do some math, bro. You're like a bit blur. Blur. Yeah, go back. Bye. See you.